Greetings of the day. Good morning, children. Welcome to your geography class. We are continuing a chapter Weather and Climate. In a previous video, we had read about the difference between weather and climate. Now we'll see the different elements that affect the weather. These are temperature, air pressure, wind, cloud, moisture, and rain. First of all, we see temperature. Temperature can be defined as the degree of hotness or coldness. Temperature of the atmosphere changes not only during the day and night but also from season to season. There are multiple factors that affect the amount of insolation received by the Earth's surface, and as a result, temperature varies at all the places. Factors affecting temperature are latitude, altitude, vegetation, urbanization, and distance from water bodies. First of all, we see latitude. The latitude of a place determines the angle of sun's rays and the duration of daylight. Therefore, at the equator, the rays of the sun are vertical and the duration of daylight is longer. While at the poles, the sun's rays are slanting and the duration of daylight decreases. Hence, there is a distinct decrease in the temperature from the equator to the poles. We can see that the rays that strike the equator heat a smaller surface area, and so the heat is more concentrated and temperatures are higher at the equator. The same rays have to heat a larger surface area near the higher latitudes, which leads to a decrease in temperature. Altitude. Air gets heated up not through insolation but by heat radiation given off by land. Therefore, the layer of air closest to land gets heated first and the most. It is for this reason the air temperature falls with altitude. Temperature decreases at the rate of 1 degree centigrade with every 166 meters of ascent. This is called the lapse rate. Vegetation. Trees and plants have a cooling effect on the atmosphere. Therefore, forested and grassy areas are cooler. Urbanization. Cities are warmer than villages. This is because of higher emissions of carbon dioxide in cities due to burning of fuels by industries and running of vehicles. The materials used in buildings and roads also trap more heat during the day. Buildings are also close together in cities, which also lead to higher temperatures. Distance from water bodies. Places near water bodies experience moderate temperatures compared to those away from water bodies. This is why coastal areas are cooler. In this video, we had read the different factors affecting the temperature of a place. In our next video, we will study in detail about air pressure and wind. For this, read page number 127 and 128 of your book. Thank you.